Greetings and welcome to this eNET video demonstration of the two-line file call program from a Haas Control. This file call will be for a serial RS-232 CNC program download called for remotely right from the machine control. Opened up on my screen is the main eNET software version 9, and next I will open up my Haas simulator. Now, the two-line call program is very easy, and to start out, you just go to List Program, and this will show you all the programs that are on the memory of the CNC. And as you can see on mine, all I have is our call program, 09999. I'm going to select that program, and that brings up a set of parentheses. Now this is the information that your setup person needs to know, which is what's the name of the program that I want to call for. Mine is 55234. Now all I have to do is send, receive, and I have my program right on my control, queued remotely through the eNET DNC software. Thank you.